Welcome to my channel, Amazon lovers. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Godrej 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Godrej split AC with inverter compressor variable speed compressing which adjusts power depending on heat load and most energy. Godrej capacity 1.5 ton stability for medium size room. Godrej 5-star best in class efficiency. Godrej manufacturing warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condition, 10 year on compressor. Godrej annual emergency consumption for level issue, energy label on product page on contact brand for model. Copper condition oil. Godrej including in the box indoor unit, outdoor unit, remote control, user menu, warranty card. Thank you for watching video and subscribe my channel.